Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide chats on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to just simply open up Snapchat application and make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. So after opening up the Snapchat application, now what you guys have to do is simply go to this message section below. So after coming to this message section below, you guys have to just simply hold on the specific chat which you want to hide. So assume that this is chat I want to hide. So I have to just simply hold on the specific chat and simply go to the chat setting here. So I'm just chat and notification setting, and this drop down menu will appear to you. Now here what you have to do is simply click on clear from chat feed. So after clearing that, simply click on the clear, and that specific chat will be removed from your device. So what if you want to again message that specific chat? So you have to simply click on this blue icon to write a message and simply search for that specific person, and you have to simply click on this chat, and you guys can see here we guys can again chat that specific person on Snapchat. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.